Import your video and music into CapCut. Cut the extra parts of the video. Find the first beat in the music and split the video. Tap on the audio layer and go to Beats. Listen to the audio carefully and add beats manually. Slow down the second part to sync with music. Add keyframes on each beat. Zoom the video at the 2nd, 4th, 6th, and 8th keyframes. Split the video at each keyframe. Apply smooth slow motion to all clips. Tap on the second clip and go to Graphs. Apply Quad Out. Apply Cubic Out to the third clip. Repeat this pattern up to the end. Tap on the second clip, go to Animation, apply Unfold for 0.7 seconds. Also, apply Unfold for 0.5 seconds to the next clips. Apply Fade Out to the last clip. Now, go to Effects, Body Effects. Apply Fragment Clone. Adjust it below the second clip. Again, go to Body Effects. Apply Character Glow. Adjust it below the third clip. Again, go to Body Effects. Apply One-Way Shift. Adjust it below the fourth clip. Again, go to Body Effects. Apply Vortex, Dissolve. Adjust it below the fifth clip. Now, duplicate the third clip. Overlay it. Place it below the third clip. Remove the animation from the overlay. Go to Cutout and remove the background. Go to Effects. Duplicate the Character Glow effect layer. Replace it with Optical Scan. Go to Object. Set it to Overlay. Apply the same process to the next clips. Now, go to Video Effects. Apply Dreamy Halo and adjust the glow to 40. Place it on the full video. Go to Adjust. Tap on Filters, apply Silver, and adjust it to 70. Place it on the full video. Export it. Here is the final result.